I've been quiet for too long. Lights off, hiding in the